If you search on YouTube how to become a fluent English speaker, you will find multiple videos and you may have followed also. But still, you are on the same level. You didn't improve yourself, you didn't improve your English level. Do you know why is this happening with you? Because they don't teach you the exactly root cause. What is the root cause why you're not able to learn English speaking? In this video, I will tell you the exactly root cause. Why you're not able to learn English speaking, even I will give you the solution also. Do you know our mind is very powerful? It is a very powerful tool. You can do everything with this. But you need to be calm, you need to be peaceful with it. When you start learning English speaking, you become frustrated within few days. You are not able to follow that. You learn vocabularies, but you forget that. Why is this happening? There is only one root cause. It is constantly a train of negative thoughts are going through your mind. And these negative thoughts, you pick one negative thought and you start overthinking. Once you start overthinking, you have chosen the negative thought. Now that negative thought will vanish your positive thoughts and you forget the vocabularies also. You have learned 10 vocabularies today, and again when you're free, a lot of thoughts, negative thoughts are going through your mind. So these negative thoughts will erase your memory, a good memory that you want to keep, because you are not focusing on that the good memory. You are just focusing on your negative thoughts continuously. You are picking the negative thought and you are thinking continuously, overthinking. So it is because of this. You never become focused, you never become concentrated. And these two things are very important if you're learning something new. Concentration and the focus. And the memory also. These negative thoughts are erasing and removing all these three things. You need to eliminate your negative thoughts. I'm not saying you can stop these negative thoughts, but you can eliminate that. You have to control on your mind. If the negative thoughts are coming, you need to ignore that, let them go. Thoughts, you just need to see that thoughts by your mind. Thoughts are coming, let them go. Do not react on that thoughts. Do you know what will happen? Then you would have an option that you can choose one. If you want to choose negative thought, you can choose negative. If you want to choose positive thought, you can choose positive. Do you know what is the positive thought? Here the positive thought is, I want to become a fluent English speaker. Here is a positive thought is these vocabularies that you have learned. So if you start working, if you think again and again about that vocabularies, if you think again and again about the sentence structure, new sentence structure that you have learned, the negative thoughts automatically go from your mind and your mind start reacting on the positive thoughts. And once you start reacting on the positive thoughts, you will be focused on your goal. And once you become focused on your goal, you will become a fluent English speaker. It is not about English language. You can learn multiple languages once you have control on your mind, once you start ignoring the negative thoughts, once you start thinking on positive thoughts. Right now, the positive thought is if you have learned something new, you are just thinking about that. You are not thinking what happened with you on the road when you were going through the bike. Someone has shouting you, someone was shouting you. Do not think about that. These are distractions, negative distractions. Do not think about that. And keep remember, it is not outer source. The negative thoughts are not outer source. This is inner source, and you can control it. You cannot stop it, but you can control it. You can see. It's sort of like you are on the side of the road and you are just looking the vehicles. Vehicles are coming and going. You are not reacting on them. You are not reacting on them. You are not describing them. But you are just looking. But if there is a positive vehicle that is giving you positive energy, you can pick that and start thinking on that. Mostly people choose negative thought because it is very easy to choose. But positive thoughts allow you to make some more efforts. Because in positive thoughts, you are learning something. You are making some efforts. In negative thoughts, you don't need to make any kind of effort. It will come automatically, and it will start occupying everything. It start erasing your memory also. Now you are completely focused. You are not frustrated. You are not thinking. You are continuously thinking that you how if you have learned a sentence structure, you are continuously thinking, okay, I can make this sentence like this also. There is one more way to learn to speak this sentence, and I have learned this vocabulary yesterday. How can I use this vocabulary? You are continuously thinking like this. So if you stop the negative thoughts that is coming in your mind, that is a big barrier for you to become a fluent English speaker. You will be able to speak in English within 1 month.